Hi students, a very pleasant and warm greetings to you all. Hope you are doing good. Please be safe in your home. Don't walk out of your home unnecessarily. Whenever you go out somewhere purposefully, you just sanitize well before entering into your home, and when you buy something also sanitize it, keep it aside for some time, and then you use that thing. So please be safe. Around us so many are getting infected and so many are suffering a lot, so be safe. It's not just for your safety, it is for your parents, brothers, sisters, relatives, friends, everyone. Okay, if you are safe and if you are not transmitting the disease to someone else, it will be good, right? Let's get into our portion. Today we are going to see in your computer application. This session is our fundamentals in computer. Okay, your first chapter is fundamentals of computing only. In this first chapter, today we'll just see an introduction. Okay, in this first chapter you will be seeing the generations of computer, how this computer came. Anyone know? See, at the structure we can't invent a computer, right? So first it was like a calculator only. After that, step by step only they have launched the computer, right? So the first computer was in a big size of a room, and it was heating up so much, it was consuming so much power, and they had so many disadvantages. And after that, days by days, after I think it's more than 16 years, they were using that vacuum tubes computing system only, and then only they have advanced and they have brought the system as you see today as like a laptop or like a computer, right? So these all the generations of computer and the invention. About who's the father of computer, I think you all know, it's Charles Babbage. He's the one who invented computer, and he's called as the father of computer. Okay, so after he invented, it took so many years to bring up the computer which we are using today. In this first chapter, we'll be seeing for what purpose this computer is invented, how this computer was invented, and why this computer is invented, what is the use, this and all you will be seeing. As I said you yesterday, we'll be seeing the basic components of computer, everything in detail in this first chapter. Okay, now if you see, you will be having mobile, laptop or computer in your home, right? So likewise, if some of the students would be using laptop and computer in your home, so you will be feeling that it is easy to use computer, right? Some students won't be having laptop or computer or mobile in your hand, so you will be feeling little difficult, right? So we'll clear all the difficulties, and we'll make I will make you to use computer in a easy way. This is your table of contents of this year. That is, in grade 11, you are going to learn these fundamentals of a computer and working with a typical operating system. And then you will be learning about office automation tools, word processor, a spreadsheet, and presentation. And then you will be learning about web page development using HTML and CSS and JavaScript. Okay, and then at last, the last two chapters will be like computer ethics and cyber security and Tamil computing. Okay, so in this grade 11, you will be learning all the basic things which you need to use a computer, and to have the basic knowledge of computer. You will be covering everything when you are completing this grade 11. If you are learning only, you will be able to do it in the lab or in any systems. Okay, as I said you before, introduction to computers, I have given you a short introduction, and the second chapter will be number systems. Okay, in this first chapter, some of the portions has been reduced for the last year, and I am not sure about your syllabus. We didn't receive your syllabus yet, but still I'll give you a small introduction on the main topics alone. Okay, first lesson I have given the introduction about the components of computer and this generation of computer and the input output devices, arithmetic logic unit, and the external devices which can be connected and all. We have seen yesterday itself the reader, a barcode reader, a camera, touch screen, keyer, light pen. These are all the input output units. Okay. And in the second chapter, you will be learning about number system. Okay, computer cannot understand our language, right? We will speak English, Tamil, Malayalam, and so on. Computer cannot understand the language which we speak. So it has a specific language which it can understand. That is machine language. Okay, so the machine language only it can understand, and whatever instructions we give, it will be converted into its language, and then it will process, and again after processing it will again convert it to our language, and it will give out to us, right? So the machine language will be of zeros and ones. That is, true means it is 1, false means we'll say it as 0. Okay, so if you are learning this number system, it will be useful for calculating this codings and all. When you are writing the codings and all, small calculations, or if you want to represent something in a binary system, means it will be easy. If you are learning this conversion in this second chapter, here we have binary number, a decimal number system, octal number system, and hexadecimal number system. Okay, decimal number system means as the same numbers which we use in our mathematics, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, that everything that will come, that is decimal number system. Okay, binary number system means by means 2, only two numbers will be there. So the base is 2, and the number which is included in this binary number system are 0 and 1. Okay, and the other one is octal. Octal is the base value is 8, and octal number will have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, only till 7. So the base value is 8. Only 8 values are there, right? From 0, if you calculate 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, it is the total number of terms is 8, right? So the octal base value is 8, and the octal numbers are 0 to 7. Okay, and after 7, what number will come? We don't have 8 and 9, right? So again 10, 11, like that it will start. Okay, and then next one is hexadecimal. Hexadecimal means the base value is 16. Okay, 16 means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And here instead of 10, 11, 12 and all, we'll write A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, so here we have 16 digits. 16 is the base value of hexadecimal, and the hexadecimal values are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, so here we'll be learning the number system conversions also. Here we saw what is decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system, and hexadecimal number system, right? So in this chapter we'll be converting a decimal number to binary number, a decimal number to octal number, octal to binary, octal to decimal, octal to hexadecimal, hexadecimal to octal. So we'll see all the conversions of this number system in this chapter. Okay, so here they have given a small introduction first in the number system, about number system, and then a small introduction will be there about decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system, and hexadecimal number system, and then we'll start the conversion of this number systems. Okay, after the conversions we'll be learning the ones complement, what is ones complement, twos complement, and then we'll be studying about some representing characters in memory. In the memory we have BCD, that is binary coded decimal, ASCII code. ASCII means it's like it will have 2 power 7 bit. That means it will have 128 characteristics. Okay, ASCII code, if you see, it will have a letter, means that letter will be represented with some other character. That is ASCII code. The expansion of ASCII is American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Okay, then ISCII, Unicode. These all you will be learning in this second chapter. Okay, and the third chapter is about computer organization. Okay, in this computer organization you will be learning the things which are inside the processing unit. Okay, here we'll see about microprocessor. An important question is there. Last year that portion was reduced. I don't know whether you will have that portion or whether that portion will be included or reduced. I'm not sure. Here in third chapter you will be learning about characteristics of microprocessor. That is a very important question. Okay, microprocessor will have an input and output. Microprocessor will be linked with the memory unit, and also this processing microprocessor is made up of three main units. That is, one is arithmetic and logic unit, that is ALU, control unit, and internal registers. Okay, that is the internal memory registers. And then the characteristics of microprocessor means there will have clock speed, instruction set, and word size. So these all the things you will be learning in computer organization chapter. Okay, here you will be learning about the memory devices. You'll learn briefly about a ROM, a RAM, and all the types of ROM. That is also the types of RAM is a very important question. RAM, we know that it has dynamic RAM and static RAM. ROM means it has a programmable read-only memory, erasable programmable read-only memory, electrically erasable read-only programmable read-only memory. So these are all the things you will be learning in the third chapter. Okay, from fourth chapter you will be seeing about operating system. Okay, any computer cannot work without operating system. If you are having a mobile, if you are having an Android, a normal smartphone means Android operating system will be there. If you are having an Apple iPhone means it will be having iOS. Or if you are having a computer means sometimes it may have Windows operating system or Linux operating system. Likewise, any one operating system will be there for the processing of the computer. Okay, here you'll be learning about the software. I said you the detailed explanation for software and hardware in the last session itself, right? Hope you remember that. In this chapter you will be learning about this software. In software we'll have application software and system software, and then we'll be seeing the types of operating system and how this operating system will work, what is the use of this operating system, and all everything you will be seeing in this fourth chapter. Okay, and in the fifth chapter only you will be starting to work with the operating system. Okay, in that chapter you will be learning how to use the computer or how this operating system works and how you have to start with the computer. Okay, there you will have the procedure how to use the mouse and how to start the Windows desktop. If you are having a laptop or a computer in your home, you would have used it often and you would have known to use it. But if you are new to it, when you are learning this fifth chapter, learn thoroughly and you will be thorough with the operations of all the operations of the computer. Okay, so in this fifth chapter, we'll be learning about what is icon, folder, desktop, the menus, menu bar, toolbar, work areas, scroll, everything we'll be learning in this fifth chapter. Okay, fifth chapter, when we are completing itself, you will be able to use computer like a pro. Okay, so here you'll be able to learn how to open a file, how to save a file inside a folder, or how to save a document, how to open a document, how to rename a document. Everything you'll be seeing in this fifth chapter. Okay, thank you for your valuable time. Stay home, stay safe, take care, bye.